for update video on a project that I've been working on for a couple of months now. As you guys remember, I started doing a vanilla extract video. I'll post the links to the first 2 videos. This is the 3rd video that I've done. This is the update number 2. So just to refresh your memory, this is 75% alcohol, flavorless. I put in 10 or so vanilla beans, and I did that on, according to the tag, February the 15th. Today's August, mid-August, so it's been several months. So as you can tell, it's a lot darker now. I don't know if you can see from the video, but it's a lot darker. We're gonna do a quick taste test comparison to what you buy in the store. First off, the smell of it. I mean, this one smells a little sweeter, but I don't know how much alcohol content is in this. This one's a lot stronger, and you can definitely smell the alcohol behind it. This is from Mexico. You get it whenever you travel there. Like I said, this is homemade. There's a little bit of the homemade stuff in here. It definitely smells a lot more vanilla-y, I guess is the word, since the last time we did a update video. But how does it taste? Woo! Yep. Holy smokes. That is strong. Flavor, definitely vanilla. You could probably go ahead and start using this now right away. It's been about 6 months. They do suggest the longer it sits, the better. So I'm going to continue letting this keep infusing. The beans are still in here, so we're going to let this continue to go. The other thing I got sitting over here is another little experiment I got. I'm just showing you guys what infusions are like. This is, again, a flavorless alcohol that I have put fresh raspberries right out of my garden. I did that here about a week ago, and you can already see the color that you get. This was a clear, flavorless alcohol. Now you have a very pink raspberry alcohol. And again, this is just berries were fresh out of the garden. They haven't been crushed. They haven't been altered in any way. And this is what you get, a very nice pink alcohol. Still very mild on the smell. I'm not going to go ahead and test that quite yet because it's still very weak. Actually, no, I'll go ahead just because. Not as strong as this one, but the raspberry flavor is starting to come through. It's definitely going to need a little bit longer, or a lot longer. Once these berries lose all their color, then we know it's good to go. But a very nice raspberry finish. Not much on the front end, but quite a bit on the back end of raspberry. I want that flavor all the way to carry through. But yeah, so this is what you get when you do infusions. Like I said, we'll continue with this little experiment for another probably 6 months or so. And I'll give you guys another update sooner or later here on how this one's going and how this one turns out. This one won't be nearly as long as this, but I'll give you guys an update here in a couple of months. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Remember to like, follow, subscribe, share, hit all the buttons. The more the merrier. And if you have any other ideas on content that you'd like to see, drop me a line. I'd love to hear it. Thank you very much, guys. See you next time.